The federal DEA is investigating 16-year-old Whitney Purvis, who was arrested for involuntary manslaughter. The Federal Drug Enforcement Administration is investigating Whitney Purvis in connection with her involuntary manslaughter arrest, which took place 1 month after the murder of her 16-year-old son, Weston Gosa Jr. Following Purvis' arrest on Monday, July 7, the Drug Enforcement Administration is investigating the matter, according to a statement sent to People by Acting Special Agent in Charge J.W. Chung of the agency's Atlanta Field Division. The news was initially reported by TMZ. Whitney Purvis was taken into custody by DEA Atlanta and local law enforcement today in Floyd County, Georgia, on suspicion of involuntary manslaughter brought on by fentanyl overdose. The statement said that the inquiry is still under progress. The 16 and pregnant alum was also accused of distributing a controlled drug and using a communication device to conduct a crime involving controlled narcotics, according to court documents that People saw. A prior request for comment from People was not immediately answered by Purvis. The news of Purvis' arrest was originally reported by TMZ. In his remarks, Chung reminded the audience that fentanyl and other synthetic opioids account for nearly 70% of all drug-related deaths. A dosage of 2 milligrams of fentanyl has the potential to be fatal. The DEA encourages parents, along with their children, to educate themselves about the dangers of drugs by visiting www.dea.gov/onepill, www.justthinktwice.com, www.getsmartaboutdrugs.com, and www.campusdrugprevention.go, the release said. Affidavit of arrest and statement of criminal charges acquired by People claim that Purvis distributed a substance presented as tranq, commonly known as xylazine and fentanyl, to the victim, which directly contributed in the victim's death due to a toxic overdose. According to the affidavit, the claimed victim is John M. Harris. Loved fiercely and would do anything he could for one of his friends, according to his obituary, is how his memory stands. A month after the former reality star revealed Weston's death in a Facebook post on Monday, June 2, Purvis was arrested. Writing this is so difficult. Weston, my gorgeous son, is no longer with us. He was only 16 years old. Life is so unjust and harsh. I just don't get it. In her statement, she wrote, "Oh, my baby is gone, and I don't know what to do with myself." Purvis and her ex-husband Weston Gosa Sr. have a kid named River. Amy Gosa, Weston's stepmother, said in her own Facebook post that the family demanded an autopsy to determine how he died, even though Purvis did not disclose the cause of death.